Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
From 17th onwards, there is possibility of decrease in rainfall, but please be regularly updated as this forecast or the warnings that issued by IMD are based on the prevailing weather conditions, based on prevailing severe systems that are existing near and around Goa. So please be regularly updated. And apart from that, there are warnings for fishermen. Strong winds of the order of 45 to 55 kilometers per hour or gusting up to 60 kilometers per hour is expected all along the western coast, Maharashtra, Goa coast as well. And even on Karnataka coast also. So fishermen are requested not to venture into these areas: Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra and Gujarat coast for coming 48 hours to 3 days.
उटंगाराचे पावसाक लागून दिवचल तालुक्यातले सुर्ला गावातले राधा सातोडकार या बायलेच्या मातयेच्या घराचेर झाड पडले. घर पुराय काबार. त्या घराचे इन्स्पेक्शन करून लुकसाण भरपाई दिवपा खातीर बेगीन रिपोर्ट धाडचो म्हूण दिवचलच्या मामलेदारान सुर्लाच्या तलाट्याक सांगला. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.